Sure.
Okay. Today we are down in Englewood. We are just west of Wellham Park. And the beauty about this community is we are very close to Manasota Beach.
Yeah, if you've been looking for new construction close to the beach, this is such a great option. So this is Beachwalk. It is built by DiVosta, and you're looking at about 1,500 homes here, ranging from villas to single family homes.
With 13 floor plans to choose from.
Yeah,
Very cool.
13 different floor plans to choose from. And it's going to be amenity rich. You're looking at 2 different restaurants, 10 pickleball courts,
Bocce ball.
bocce, an amazingly huge swimming pool as well for the community.
Yeah. And my favorite feature was the boardwalk around the lake. I think that's going to be a really nice touch.
That is going to be super nice. Yeah. So there's 13 different floor plans to choose from, and we're excited to show you the Prestige model. It is a stunner. Welcome to the Prestige floor plan. Come on in. I feel like right away as you walk in, you notice these high ceilings. And actually in this series that DiVosta does, you're gonna find the tallest ceilings in the Prestige model. And it just adds such a level of elegance and airiness and openness to the home. So this can be set up as 2 bedrooms or 3 bedroom home, depending on how you customize this house. And you're looking at a flex room as well, roughly about 2,000 square feet. And the base price is starting at $588,000 for this home. So really nice entryway as you walk in. You have a flex space here. I love the color of these floors that they do. DiVosta does some really nice touches in their homes. You have a half bath here as you come off from the garage.
Entry door.
Notice those epoxy floors. And then they've got a great laundry room. Another feature that Scott and I thought was super cool, instead of having a full door into your master closet, you have this little drop zone, which is so convenient. You just put the hamper underneath and you are good to go.
So I have stolen the show. It's my turn now. Let's keep looking at this house. Vicki did forget about this lovely storage closet that's also off the main hallway here. And this is what most people want, right? Like the living room, the kitchen, all in one. Well, I think they did a great job here. You have this oversized island to our right-hand side. One of my favorite features in the kitchen, natural gas. And they also conveniently located a good-sized pantry right off to the refrigerator. I think this is a great space to entertain. Really good-sized living room. 2-tone cabinets. I think that's still up for debate between us. Let's go take a look at that master bedroom, shall we? So when you come in here, the master bedroom will be off to your right-hand side. Have a couple of windows looking out to your pool and water view in this model. Pretty nice touches here. Then we also have a split closet in this floor plan, so I'm guessing this will be his. Got a really nice vanity here with a walk-in shower with the bench. And then you have an additional closet back here, which is much larger. And another great feature about this bathroom is the transom window above to let in some natural light as well. Now let's go take a look at this pool, guys, shall we? I'll let Vicki go out first. I'm sure you want to see the pool more than me. What's great about this space is you have the pavers down below. Also, you have the plumbing for an outdoor kitchen, which is highly, highly recommended for the Florida lifestyle with barbecuing right next to the pool. Oh, and you can also build a custom pool with them if you use coast to coast, which is great.
The other great thing about this community is DiVosta is allowing you to build a pool as you build your home. So something that's changed here in the market as well.
And also what's really nice about this is they use coast to coast pools, and you can customize your pool, and you literally almost put in any type of pool that you want in this neighborhood.
Yeah. So again, this was the Prestige floor plan. It's about 2,000 square feet, and we are in Beachwalk in Englewood, Florida. And as you can see, it is a beautiful day out here. So don't hesitate to reach out to us if you're looking to buy, sell, or build here in Southwest Florida.
Have a great day, guys. Just under 2,500 square feet. Just under 2,500 square feet. Just under 2,500